All a work in progress. Don't forget. Hey, hi, Angel here. Thanks for stopping by. I'm sitting in the Head Hutt thinking about all the stuff that I still have to get done, admiring the things I have gotten done, and yeah, just thinking about in life how easy it is to get caught up in the idea of a certain goal being, the end all be all, or a certain relationship or type of relationship, certain house, a certain job, whatever it is. And once you achieve that thing or don't achieve that thing, life's still going to go on, most likely. So I think it's important to enjoy the process and realize that it's in the process where the good stuff happens, where those moments of joy happen, where those moments of play happen, of discovery. And that's the good stuff of life. The goals are just, checkpoints, places to get to, destinations, and those are great to have because they keep us, moving, keep us entertained. I think though that it's really the enjoying the ride. It's really the process, the progress, the developing ourselves, the self-discovery, the learning to have better relationships with ourselves and others. It's those things that makes a good life. And the goals, the destinations, those are beautiful. They're great. I'm not saying don't have them. I'm just saying don't get confused and think that those are what it's really about. Those are just, again, just kind of arbitrary markers, choices that we make. And those can be a myriad of different things. What we have in common, though, is that goal for expansion, that goal for betterment, that goal for connection, for mastery. Those are some common goals that most of us share. And just realizing that my jeans aren't matching. Yeah, I got distracted with that whole phenomenon that just happened. Point is to enjoy, enjoy the little things. Enjoy rolling up your jeans. Enjoy when they match and when they don't match. Enjoy all the processes because eventually you'll be dead, and that's going to happen whether you reach your goals or you don't reach your goals. And if you get a moment right before you die to reflect on your life, I hope that you reflect on it with a big smile, knowing that you enjoyed all the delicious variety in foods and relationships and experiences and destinations and goals. And woo, hi, flip. Enjoy the flip, enjoy the fall, enjoy the getting up, enjoy it all. That's my 2 cents for today. Till next time, I wish you peace, progress, possibilities, and playfulness.